We are in Strasburg, Colorado, and here's another random caboose. It's an extended vision, metal-sided. Looks like it's fairly nicely restored. We're at a little museum, but it doesn't appear to be open. I don't know, it's kind of off-season maybe, but very nicely restored. I'd like to see the inside, but I don't think I'm going to get a chance to. Union Pacific. Yeah, just standing here looking in the windows, it looks like it's restored all the way inside as well. Maybe that's a possibility. I can go up these stairs here. Let's see. Try not to break my neck. Oh yeah, looks like it's nicely restored inside as well. Strasburg is just off of I-70. Pretty easy to get off and check it out. It says it's supposed to be open from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. today, but it's not. Doesn't appear to be anybody around. There's a nice little sign here that describing what this museum's about in the Continental Railroad. Okay, well, it looks like kind of a neat place. It's too bad it's not open. Got some tractors. It's getting a little windy here.